Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for spas and salons on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this search button down below in the left side corner of the screen and then click on spas and salons. Enter your location into this bar down below, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the salons. You can apply filters at the top. Here, tap on request a consultation. You can check out the pictures attached, and here you should select or type in your zip code or location. Select the service. References can be added, and type in if you have any particular ideas or styles in mind. Tap on the next or skip button. Select the time. Additional details can be added, and then you can tap on the send request button so that you can request a quote. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.